Hello everyone, class 7 standard. Today we will discuss the chapter light because it's not finished yet. So in this chapter few parts I will tell you today. So basic thing what I told in the last video that different types of image formations, that when a plane mirror, again just I'm just telling these all thing in a brief, that when a plane mirror is just kept in front of an object, then how the image will be formed, how the extended image will be formed for an extended object, how the point image will be formed for a point object. Okay, what will be the distance of the object, what will be the distance of the image from the plane mirror. So these all things I told you. Next thing is also very important, that two types of images are there. One is called the real image and second one is the virtual image. Okay, two types of images are present. What is real image? What is virtual image? Suppose if I will tell you that one plane mirror is here, so you know that one, that how can it will able to produce the object, image, how can it will be able to produce. If I will tell you that this image which is formed, can you able to place this one, can you able to just put this one in the screen, can it will be able to get into the screen, can you place this one in the screen? Is it possible? Definitely not possible. If I will tell you that one type of image which is formed, that one diagram I am just telling you, this diagram in not in your syllabus, but for your information I am telling you. Suppose this type of mirror you are just getting. Okay, this is one mirror. This mirror is known as a concave type of mirror. Okay, this is not a convex. Two types of mirrors are there. One, this type of mirror is also there, which is called the convex type of mirror. This is called concave type of mirror, and this is called convex type of mirror. Okay, two types of mirrors are there, this one and another one is the plane mirror, you know that. So in this case, one different types of image will be formed. I mean to say that the image which will form, which will not be just behind the mirror, this side is the reflecting side and this side is the non-reflecting side. So in case of plane mirror, what you have got that one, that the image is formed just behind the mirror, that means on the side of the non-reflecting side. Okay, so in this case, suppose this type of image is forming, suppose image is here and in this way ray is going, another ray is coming here and another ray is going in this way, and they are just meeting in a point here, in this point. Okay, and they are just producing here the image, the ulta image you are getting here. Okay, opposite type. So in this case you can easily see this is the object and this is the image. So in this particular case you can see that the image is formed which is not just behind the mirror, which is just in front of the mirror. So suppose if I will tell you that if you place a screen over here, then you can easily obtain this one. It can be obtained on the screen, so you can easily see that one. So this type of image is known as a real image. Okay, which can be just put on the screen. And what type of image which are not able to just put on the screen, that are called the virtual type of image. So these two things are very important, so try to remember this one. Next one in your syllabus which is present, that is the speed of light, then color addition part is also there. So these all things I will tell you today. In your syllabus, the speed of light. Suppose you are talking at the speed of light, so you know that one speed means what? That is actually the distance by time. So in this case, velocity term we are not using, so distance by time you can tell that one. Okay, so speed of light is denoted by c, so that is equal to distance divided by time, and which is having a fixed constant value. Is that what? That 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, that means what? In 1 second it can cover 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter distance. Okay, So that is, in 1 second it will cover this amount. This is a huge amount of distance it can cover. So from here, that you can easily, if you know that suppose sun is present and earth is present, if you know the distance between distance between sun and earth, surface of sun to the surface of earth, and if you know the speed of light, so you can easily just calculate that how much time it will take, that light will take to just travel this much of distance, because you know that one, this value you know, this value you also know, the distance and time you can easily calculate from here, that how much time it will take to cover this amount of distance. Next one is the color addition part, and color subtraction parts are also there. So for before that one, so you have to know that one, two things, the primary color and secondary color, that is very very important. So you know that one, in VibGeo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 colors are present here in this case. Okay, within this, few colors are very important and they are very much prominent. You know that one, these types of color are known as the primary color. What are these colors? This one, this one, and this one. Okay, so these three colors are known as the primary type of color. So if you add simply these three colors, you will get white color. You know that one, that if you add these all colors together, then you are supposed to get that white color. But simply no need to do that one. If you add these three colors only, so you will get, you are able to get the white color here. So that's why this is called the primary color. This is called the primary color. Okay, now from here you can able to get the secondary color also. Secondary color means what? Suppose you are from here, you are just, that I will tell you in the color subtraction part. So this particular thing is known as the color addition. When the two or more colors or three or more colors are added together, then what type of thing you are getting, that is called the color addition part. Suppose this color is present here. Suppose you are further adding yellow color with this one, then what type of color you will get? Suppose within this one you are just adding what type of color, maybe orange color you are just adding with this one, then what type of color you are getting? So this particular thing is known as the color addition part. Next one, I will tell you in the next video. Few parts are also left within this one. From here I will only start.